How to see your ratings in chess.com. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can see your ratings in chess.com. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. First steps first, open up your web browser and head over to chess.com. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, finding your rating is really simple. You should see your profile right here with your username. Simply tap on that. And it should take you to your profile. From here, you will be able to see all of your game history and everything else here. So from here, just go to this stats section. Tap on stats. And after you scroll down, you should see how many games you've played, how many puzzles, and your ratings. So here you can see the ratings for your bullet, for your rapid, for your blitz, and everything else. So yeah, this will differ. The more you play, the higher or lower your rating goes. So yeah, you can just find all of your ratings right here. And that's how easy it is. That's how you can see your chess rating in chess.com. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.